According to the popular myth, Albert Einstein was one of the most brilliant scientists that ever lived, and his theory of relativity is a pinnacle of human intellectual achievement. For most of my life, I also subscribed to this piece of conventional wisdom. Till one day, somewhat inadvertently, I was obliged to question it, to find that it was all a load of bull. Einstein, in fact, was a scientific charlatan and plagiarist who could hardly put two and two together without a mathematician's help. I used to tell people that I could explain to anyone sufficiently interested to listen in less than 5 minutes. Firstly, what special relativity is, and secondly, why it is wrong. The present version has now cut this down even further, taking exactly 2 minutes. It is very simple and involves no mathematics at all. Set your stopwatch and check it out. A fundamental concept in special relativity is inertial motion, at steady speed in a straight line with no rotation. It relates to Isaac Newton's first law of motion, which says that unless acted upon by an external force, objects move at a steady speed in a straight line. When I'm sitting quietly down here on planet Earth minding my own business, I experience nothing pushing me to either side. In the horizontal plane, I am inertial, subject to no external force, the effect of the Earth's daily and orbital rotations being negligible. The same applies when in a train travelling at a steady speed of 90 kilometers per hour. I can walk around in it as if it was stationary. The same holds for an airplane cruising at a steady speed of 900 kilometers per hour. But not when the train suddenly brakes or goes round a bend, or when the plane is taking off or landing. Einstein based his special relativity on two postulates. The first, the relativity postulate, states that all inertial viewpoints are equally valid, effectively correct. The second, the speed of light postulate, says that the speed of light in a vacuum is the same for all inertial observers, independently of their motion. Imagine two twins, A and B. Twin A is stationary on the Earth's surface. Twin B is in a spaceship in outer space, travelling inertially with his engines switched off at close to the speed of light. The Earth twin A sees both the spaceship and an accompanying light photon moving at around the same speed. Twin B, on the other hand, sees the photon zapping past him at the speed of light. So each twin sees the same photon at a different speed relative to the spaceship. Since both twins are moving inertially, on the first relativity postulate, both their perceptions are correct. The philosophical reductio ad absurdum principle says that premises leading to a contradictory conclusion are themselves contradictory and absurd. On this basis, the Einstein postulates, and by extension to special relativity itself, are likewise contradictory and absurd. So what are we to make of all this? Mainstream physics adopts a nonsensical theory as an official dogma at an obvious cost to itself. Being obliged to defend the indefensible can be inconvenient. I will look at this question and also relativity in more detail in a series of further videos.